Mapping Our World, a Grand Adventure. Miss Lily's grade 4 class was starting an exciting geography adventure. Today, they would learn about large-scale maps. Lily explained that large-scale maps show small areas in great detail. They are perfect for seeing every little feature of your neighborhood or school. Maps have important parts like symbols, a legend, a key, a compass rose, and a scale. These help us understand what we are looking at. Symbols are like secret codes, representing buildings, roads, or water. The legend explains what each secret code means. The class's first big task is to create a large-scale map of their very own classroom. What an exciting challenge! They used different symbols for desks, chairs, and doors. Then they labeled their map with a legend, a key, and a compass rose. Next, Mrs. Lily taught them about directions using the compass rose, north, south, east, west. They could navigate anywhere. Walk from the door to your desk, going east, then north, Miss Lily challenged. Leo and Mia giggled as they practiced. Finally, they learned about scale, which helps them understand real-life distances. 1 centimeter on the map could be 5 meters in reality. Using a map of a park, they measured distances. How far was the swing set from the slide? They could now figure it out. Learning about large-scale maps gave Leo and Mia important skills. They felt ready for any adventure, big or small.